In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse light bulb on your 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. It's a very easy process, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, first off, we need to open up the trunk because that's where the reverse light is. And the way to access the bulb is from underneath it, over there. So once you have the trunk open, that black plastic cover over there, we need to get that off. In order to get it off, all we have to do is just squeeze it on the sides like I'm doing over here, right? And then get one side off, and then the other side just comes right out. Now that's the bulb holder right there. All we have to do is just grab it and twist it left like so, and out it comes. In order to get the bulb off, all we have to do is just hold the bulb holder with one hand and grab the bulb and pull it out with the other hand. The replacement bulb type number is 921. Again, that's 921 single filament bulb. 921 or T10. 921 or T10. That's the replacement bulb size number. Either one of them works. To get the new bulb, push the new bulb back in the bulb holder over there. That looks good. Now let's put the bulb holder back into the light. Now make sure it's sitting flush like that, and once it is, twist your right to lock it in place. Now let's not forget to put the black plastic cover back on. Put the side with the two clips on it. Like, put that in first. Now while you're doing so, make sure the cover doesn't like slide inside the metal. Like, it's gonna sit, the lip, it's gonna have to sit on the metal, not inside. Just like that. Yep. And now let's push the other side in. Clipped, and it's in place. Very good. Now let's go ahead and try out the lights. And that is looking good. That's pretty much it. Hope it helps.